Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and buy NVIDIA stocks on XTB. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, so let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official XTB website right here, xtb.com, if you have not already. So if you do not already have it opened up, go right there. If you're using it on your mobile phone, you can just open up the App Store, download the application and install it, and once you've done so, you can open it up. So the process is going to go the same. Doesn't matter if you're on your PC or on mobile. First thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into your account. Here, if you do not already have an account, you're going to have the create an account option that's going to enable you to create one. So after logging in, you're going to be greeted by the home page from where we can get started. And now from this home page right here, once you log in, we can use the search button in the upper right corner, and in the search button we are going to search for NVIDIA. So as you can see, once you search for NVIDIA, it's going to give you the result of the stocks right here, and we can go ahead and open them up, and it's going to take us to the stocks page. From here we can get started with buying and trading these stocks. You can take a look at the charts right here, how they are doing, but as you can see, you need to go ahead and create an account to be able to purchase the stocks. So if you do not have an account, this is the only thing you need to do, after which once you deposit money into your account, you are going to go and be able to buy it. And as you can see, the minimum order value is here. You can go and take a look at the market hours and so on, as well as what the commission is, and this is how to get started. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.